Okay, so if you're getting this error when you try to open a DWG file, Windows cannot find acad.exe. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens a lot, especially if you install a different AutoCAD version or moved something by mistake. Let me show you what I mean. When I double click this DWG file, it gives error, and Windows is basically saying I don't know where AutoCAD is anymore. Now before you reinstall AutoCAD or panic, you don't need to do that. This is a very small linking issue and we can fix it in less than a minute. So first, right click on the DWG file and click on properties. Here you'll see Open Suite. Click on change. Now instead of selecting random apps from this list, click on choose an app on your PC. Alright, now go to local disk C, then program files, then Autodesk, and open your AutoCAD folder. In my case it's AutoCAD 2019. Now this part is very important. Select acad.exe. This is the main AutoCAD application. Click open, then click set as default, apply, and OK. Now let's test it, and yeah, as you can see, the file opens normally without any issue. So that's it. No reinstall, no extra software, just fixing the correct AutoCAD path. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe.